Page 57. All you had to do on this one was label the y-axis.
I think you're on like slow mo or something. That red thing doesn't normally come up.
Well, it's the new iPad.
That's trash. I don't like it when that.
All right, so the curved one should be easy. We talked about that one last time we were in class. That one you should have area. So then you have radius and circumference to figure out for the other two. If you look at this one, for instance, this point right here, the diameter is 4, whatever's over here is 2. That pretty much gives it away. If it's got a diameter 4, it can't have a circumference of 2. So this would have to be radius, and this would be circumference. Which is a big word. Question 2. Okay, you needed an explanation on this one. Why is it bigger than 2, but less than 4? Well, if you look at the inside square, and I have a half a square, a half a square, a half a square, and half a square, that's a total of 2. So why is it bigger than, or more than 2? Well, it's bigger than the inside square. But why is it less than 4? Look at the outside square. How many squares are included in the outside square? 4. Why is it less than that? Because the blue circle is less than the 4 outside squares. Okay, so to answer the question, it's bigger than the inside square, which is 2. It's smaller than the outside square, which is 4. That's what I would have explained. This one is the exact same thing. If you count the inside squares here, that's a total of 18 square units. Our circle is bigger than the inside square of 18. Outside square is 6 by 6. Our circle is smaller than 36. So again, pretty much the same explanation with just different numbers. Problem number 3. Circle A has an area of 500. The diameter is 3 times bigger. That means the radius is 3 times bigger. The circumference is 3 times bigger. The diameter is 3 times bigger. But the area is not 3 times bigger. What do you do to the area? Scale factor. You square it. So what is 3 squared? 9. So all you do, Rylan, is multiply this number times 9. And what do you get? This is for Rylan. Okay, 5 times 9 is 45 with 2 zeros behind it. Our answer should be 4,500. You may see one similar to that on your quiz today. You square the scale factor if you're talking area. If it asks you for the area, find the area. Good thing you have that formula. Question 4. Lynn's bike travels 100 meters when her bikes rotate 55 times. What is the circumference of her wheel? So we want to know how far it is to go one time. Okay, it doesn't give us a diameter, so that equation doesn't do any good. So all we need to do is take 100 divided by 55. Again, you should be showing your work for this. It is not a hard division problem, but it might take you 2 minutes. Okay, 55 into 100. Once. 55 into 450. 8. $55 into 100. That's going to keep going. 18, 18, 18. Okay. It does not come out even, so I'm going to say approximately 1.81 meters. Again, it doesn't take much to show your work. If you do it on a different piece of paper, get it in there. I don't want to hear I left it at home. Do it in here then. Question 5. Find the circumference of this circle. Circumference is diameter times pi. 15 times 3.14. Again, show your work. 5 times 4, 20. 5 times 1 plus 2, 5 times 3. Move over, 4, 1, 3, add them up. Label, centimeters. And again, that does not take long to do. Number 6. Boston, would you read number 6, please?
Here drew a circle whose circumference was 25 centimeters. Claire drew a circle whose diameter was 3 times the diameter of Claire's circle. What is the circumference of Claire's circle?
All right, so the radius would be 3 times bigger. The diameter would be 3 times bigger. The circumference would be 3 times bigger. And it tells you the circumference. So what's 3 times bigger than 25? That's it. That's all you have to do. It's 3 times bigger. It gives you the circumference. Again, if it wanted area, it would be 3 squared, 9 times bigger than the other area.